Hi everybody, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and today we're going to be using our colour box and Brushos to create our backgrounds on our gel press. Okay, so starting with the brayer, I've got, what colour have I got here? This is burgundy, so we're going to pop that down onto the gel press. You don't have to use this colour, you can use whichever colour you like. It's just a good base for our Brushos. So popping that down, and then we'll go to our buddy cut palette and our fan brush, and then we're just going to add a little bit of colour on top of the colour box. So let's put in a little bit of green. Haven't tried all these colours out yet together, so you'll have to bear with me. Fingers crossed they'll be okay. Pop in a little bit of turquoise. You can see how much I've watered these down. Only added a tiny little bit of Brusho to a lot of water, so that's always worth remembering, especially if our colours are just too bright and are a bit overpowering. Just add a little bit more water. Okay, so this is our multifarious card. I'm just going to pop that over the top now, like so. Give that a smooth over, and let's see what we've got. There we go, wow. Nice colours. Always so pleasantly surprised. You never quite know what you're going to get, but it's 9 times out of 10, it's something really nice. Now I would never have expected those colours, but I think it's because I used a pink background that it changed the colours a little. Okay, so I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to dry that off. Okay, I'll trim that down now, just so I know where I'm going up to. Okay, so we're going to be using Drake today. Okay, so I think it was Elisa on our Facebook page that was asking how we can use Drake today. So, and for of course anybody else that's a little unsure what to do with the crows, the large crows. And it doesn't have to be just Drake, you can use any one of the crows in this way. So I'm going to ink up our branch in Nocturne. And I'm going to pop that down like so. And I'm going to just repeat that over here as well. Okay. And then taking Drake, I'm going to pop him down, inking him up in black. And then let's pop him on one of the branches up here. Give that a good press, let him rest for a while. And there he is. Okay, so with his feet now, he isn't exactly sitting on the branch, but just don't worry about that too much because we can easily cover that up with one of our pound stamps. That's the beauty of the pound stamps, they're just good little fillers. So let's have a look which pound stamps we've got. We've got a couple of different ones here today, so let's grab one of our little blocks and we'll use Shady Lane, a fabulous green, inking up, and then we're just going to pop that down over where his feet is. So you can't even tell now that his feet aren't exactly on that branch. And there we go. I think that will have one more actually over here. Maybe one more down here. It's knowing when to stop, isn't it? Okay. So we're going to put a moon over the top. And this time I'm going to use Warm Breeze just to go around the edge. Now I only want a little, I don't want too much, I don't want it to become too dark. So just gently work your way around the edge. And it's good to sort of flick out as opposed to sort of scrubbing it this way. That way you might get more lines. So just flick out, and that way if you do get lines doing it this way, it's going in the right direction because they look like rays. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to pop some words around the edge now. I think I'm just going to pick a small font again for these. I think because the crow is quite a focal point, I don't want to drag my attention away from that, so I just want this to be quite subtle. Oh, I've just put that on there. Oh dear, I just noticed that. You'll have to ignore that, sorry. We all make these mistakes. We'll try and blend that in so you can't notice. Don't tell anyone. Okay, let me see what I can do. Hey, that's not bad, is it? You would never notice that that was a big mistake then. Funny though. Okay. Just work your way around the edge. And there we go. Okay, so the next thing, we have a brand new pound stamp. And I'm really excited about this because it goes with the crows really well. This makes it a little bit more sort of fairyland. I think they're available this week, but obviously we'll notify you as soon as the new stamps come in. We have got a whole range of them coming in over the next few weeks, but the mini stamps, the new ones, are due out I think in the next few days, so bear with us. Okay, so let's pop this on top. Way, look at that. He's got a crown. I just think that works really well. I mean, of course you don't have to put the crown on. Okay, so we're going to go around the edge now of the moon with our glue pen. And we're going to just add a little bit of glitter. And we'll just add a few little dots in and around the tree here. Okay, so this time I'm going to use our turquoise glitter, which will go quite nicely with our border. And I'll just sprinkle that over the top and around the edge of the moon. Tap that off. And there we have our Drake the Crow in his crown. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope it gave you some sort of tips and techniques and gave you a little bit of inspiration to have a go yourselves. We'd love to see your cards. Please keep posting them up on our Facebook page. We just love seeing what you guys do. The talent out there is just amazing, so keep it all up. You're doing fantastic. Thanks guys, take care for now, speak soon.